of BSF.
To our esteemed viewers, today I want to give you a snippet of how to start a black soldier fly farming. That is a matia. Just in a small scale farming to find the better or to find alternative source of protein, because omena or fish meat is becoming expensive. So let me take you through. We have a picture. I have Peter with me and Munuve, Idi. They are the experts under this sector, that is finding alternative of the protein. Peter,
yes.
Can you give me just a brief history of black soldier fly, so that any farmer who is starting this, who wants to start farming black soldier fly, should understand what is the black soldier fly and how is it going to help this industry if we focus, if we put more effort on it.
Okay. Thank you very much for visiting us here. So black soldier fly is, as you hear, it's a fly that is generally found in the wild. It's a diptera. It's under the diptera family. That is, and it resembles a wasp. Though now for this case, they don't have a stinger.
Yeah.
But these are candidates for waste management.
Yeah.
Specifically dealing with organic waste. I think you know about organic waste account for at least 80%
Yeah.
the waste we produce.
Yeah.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
So you see that's a big thing. And also,
Yeah.
when left to decompose by itself,
Yeah.
it produces a lot of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases.
Yeah.
So by using it here, we have found a way of utilizing the waste and making out some food products from it.
Yeah.
Because waste is not waste until we decide
to make it a waste.
Yes.
But you can still use it wisely to produce another product.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Waste is not waste until you decide that waste is waste.
I get you.
So here, this is the black soldier fly. Now, the most, what we use generally, the most useful product is the BSF larvae. Yeah, this is the larvae.
Yeah.
This is the most useful stage of the BSF.
Of the BSF.
Yes.
So we have how many stages?
We have 6 instance.
Yeah.
Before we get to the mature fly. Yes. Maybe then you can have a look at the fly. The size.
Oh yeah.
The size of the fly.
Size of the fly.
Yes, and that's the fly. You see, it's a bit big, and the common house fly.
But it's a cage.
Yeah, this we call that love cage.
A lovey cage.
Love cage. Love cage.
Then I can also see the black cage. What is it? Where do you have black cage and also have
the black cage is
a color matters in this scenario?
It does. No, actually, if you get into it, you notice that immediately after they hatch from the husk, that is from the 6 inch, you don't have they can't fly. Yeah. They need some time to rejuvenate and get up to fly. So using the black cage helps them to acclimatize fast and gain the required energy so they can fly.
Yeah.
That's why we use the black cage. And also helps you to collect them uniformly. Since all the flies are attracted to one light, now you can collect them easily rather than using a white cage with a white cage. So the black cage is the combination.
Amazing.
So that's why you can
amazing.
Black cage.
Amazing concept. To my esteemed viewers, the most critical term or word or a statement is that waste is not waste until you decide to.
You decide that is waste.
That is waste. So I think you can also tell us the importance of this black soldier fly, apart from alternative source of feed, tell us other critical aspects of the black soldier fly.
Right now, we're dealing with in the decade where we're dealing with the ocean, right?
Yeah.
And also, climate action is a barrier.
Yeah.
So, and what are the drivers of climate action, of climate change? You have the greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases,
Which
greenhouse, burning of this,
exactly. Which greenhouse gas do you know?
we have the methane,
Exactly.
we have quite a number of them.
So methane,
Yeah.
the lead producer of methane is livestock production.
Livestock production.
Then followed by we have the land fish and the large lead production producers of methane.
Yeah.
So by using black soldier fly, you're cutting and reducing the amount of methane being
And the
released.
deflation of the ozone layer. Yeah.
And so by cutting down the amount of methane produced by the waste, you are also solving a problem with the climate and the global warming.
Very critical aspect. Another
So-
important.
So the other importance is the one that you can see. We're using waste. This
Using
is
waste, yeah.
this is something that we cannot eat. This, you can see these
complete waste. Yeah.
yeah, you can see these
The meat.
this meat.
Yeah.
Kitchen. These are just
The kitchen waste.
This is the kitchen waste.
The kitchen waste.
You see. So and also we also use the market.
So these
waste.
are eggs.
Yeah, those are the eggs.
Those are the eggs.
Those are the, don't touch them. Those are the eggs. And also, you can see from that waste, what do you see there? You have
But I see quite a number of them.
exactly
Avocado waste, mango, and the kitchen waste.
exactly.
Yeah.
So actually, we are consuming all the organic waste.
So waste is only a waste if you decide to make it a waste.
Okay, Mr. Peter. So, apart from that, you can use it for as an alternative feed for fish formulation. How can this help and black soldier to control the garbage? How can we do, and how could you advise as counties or the government at large? How can they use this concept of black soldier? Because I think they feed on the waste, and then this is easier that it's easy that you can dispose that because the nutrients and everything is removed. And also we get there's a certain the remains here, which we have here. How are they useful? And they can be beneficial to farm or any other thing.
These are fertilizer. These are sorts of fertilizer.
Actually, you can see that is very rich in organic matter. This is organic matter.
So these are the waste from the black soil itself.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's very important.
And they are very important when it comes to agriculture.
Yes.
So this is a final product. This one we can just take to the
But I think we could
grind it further.
use this. David,
Yeah.
I think we could use this one. This one are well dried.
It was dried.
They're well dried.
Yeah, this is boiled.
Yeah.
This was just by
Dried. So these they have a
Okay.
lot of content because they were not direct exposed to sunlight. As we know, sunlight makes the nutrients to deteriorate.
So you see, to solve a problem, we get some product.
yeah.
So you should keep it in mind that how the solution is. So the issue of waste.
Yeah.
The only thing that we need is to look further
Yeah.
and concentrate on the little that is in the environment. Mother Nature is able to recirculate everything. It's a cycle.
Mother Nature is also unforgiving.
It's unforgiving. But if you help Mother Nature to do such things,
Yeah.
then
Then in the long run.
in the long run
gain.
you gain, and also Mother Nature will be more productive.
Yeah.
So that is it.
That's an amazing.